Aloha. This massage technique is called cat paws, and it's a dance-like rhythmic motion. Energy flows through the palms and the fingertips. You want to imagine your heart as a battery and your arm as cables, sending energy from your heart through the arms into the person you're working on to release tension in the shoulder blades while keeping your core engaged and your feet grounded. So we're going into the cat paw technique for the upper shoulder blade and scapular region. We're going to be doing rhythmic counts of 3 using this pawing motion, and then we're going to be holding counts of 3 to release the fascia, release the tension in the upper shoulder blade so you have more mobility for your shoulders, so you can help with healing. The feet should be grounded, your front leg is flat, your back leg lifted up onto the toes, using your body weight with a neutral spine, not pushing with the arms, but using the body weight as you use this rhythmic pumping motion